Now let's move on and look into the next concept, that is benefits of buying a share or selling a share of any company. The first benefit that you get is ownership of any company. Once you are a shareholder, once you buy the shares of any company and hold it for more than 3 days, you will be the part of a company. And when it's voting period, where in the annual general meeting, you'll have to vote any of the CEO of a company. So you will get that right once you buy some of the shares of any company. The second kind of benefit that you will get is profits. Profits is when you buy and hold shares for some duration. Investor gets profits by holding the shares for some period of time. Intraday traders make profits by buying the share morning and selling the share in the evening. And this is the second kind of a benefit that you will get. The third kind of a benefit is dividend. Dividend is not mandatory and it's completely a decision of any company. Any company can announce the dividend as per their profits. Profits are the one of the reason why dividends are announced usually from a company. Another kind of a benefit that you will get is bonus shares. If an investor holds the shares of any company, when the company announces, he will get additional shares from that company for holding, and if there is any good performance of the company. Usually, we will see how bonus shares works in our later stages. Okay. The other benefit that you will get is stock split. This is where the price reduction happens in a share. Price becomes to half. Whatever the market price of a share will be to half when this is announced. We will look into all of these concepts in detail in our course further.